Okay, Britton, we did the thing.
It is absolutely beautiful. I feel like more of a Rockette, bold, sparkly, exciting.
I'm Mara Roszak, celebrity hairstylist and founder of RŌZ.
I'm so excited to be here. My name is Britton and this is my 4th season as a Radio City Rockette.
And we get to recreate the classic Radio City Rockette French twist, but reimagined today. What's so exciting about really any updo, but specifically a French twist, especially when you're a Rockette, I would imagine hold is something you are always thinking about. And it really is so important that you have the foundation really set, right? With like a solid hold foundation before you go to put your hair up.
I definitely think it comes with some time and trying to figure out what works best for you. We have a lot of hat changes throughout the show. We do wear wig caps, but with the hats come a lot of pressure and movement. So definitely something I've learned is foundation is key. Gel, water, hairspray, the 3 things that I use pretty consistently throughout the show. We do have a hair changing station backstage, which is super nice just to touch stuff up throughout the show. But I can't wait to see what you do, especially with foundation, because I feel like sometimes I forget.
This might be a surprise, but I always prep with a little bit of styling oil. So this is my RŌZ Santa Lucia styling oil. It actually has 450 degrees of heat protection, but it really gives that beautiful shine. So I do this in the hair when it's damp or dry before I blow dry it and then after I blow dry it.
Right.
And then I'm just giving your hair a couple quick little pin curls. This is, as you know, a way to really just like set that wave or curl or real structure in the hair before you go to throw it up.
We do up to 4 shows in one day. It definitely can get a lot of just damage on the hair as far as like products we're using and how much we're using. So knowing that that has a lot of degrees of heat protectant is really great information for me.
We're coming up on the 100th year of Rockettes. I would love to hear from you, just like how you learned how to style your hair into this beautiful French twist and what that sisterhood really is like.
Yeah, I mean, I think you mentioned it beautifully, just like something that brings you all together. And I think with having 84 Rockettes, that's very synonymous for us because dance is the one thing that brought us all together in this beautiful thing that we get to call work. My first year of Rockettes, we have like this media shoot where I had 7 of my Rockette sisters helping me because I did not know how to do a French twist. And it was obviously a mandatory part of, you know, our Rockette look. And they all banded together and helped me. And honestly, I feel like I grew up doing a lot of competition dance and always having a face of makeup and a red lip and a lash. So I think that Rockette twist is the one thing that truly makes me feel like a Radio City Rockette. And it was so amazing to share that moment with, you know, the women that I got to start this job with. It was super special.
I really feel like what happens behind the scenes is really where the fun happens and really like sitting in the beauty chair, getting your glam done, or in your case, doing it to yourself, but having that camaraderie with your sisters, with your Rockette sisters. It is so much fun. I'm so happy that we get to bring you all behind the scenes with us right now.
I know. It doesn't feel like work sometimes, but especially when we're all like sitting and doing our hair together, it just becomes such routine at this point. But I think looking outside of it now, it's so cool to like witness something that has been around for 100 years and that every line of Rockettes has done this hairstyle and has had those same experiences.
Yes.
Which is so awesome to be able to share it with that legacy.
Dare I say, I really feel like it's the Rockettes that put this gorgeous hairstyle that I've, you know, gotten to do on, you know, major red carpet moments a handful of times. It's like one of my go-to styles when we're creating a more classic, even if it's like a more, you know, modern take on a classic look.
Absolutely.
I really feel like I can credit the Rockettes for this beautiful style since it's been around for, like we said, 100 years.
I know. I think also a secret that a lot of people sometimes it's a misconception, but like we all do our own hair and makeup for every show. So it definitely is awesome getting to like learn the legacy. And I think every Rockette with different lengths and textures and colors do our hair differently. And I think it's a super individual part of our getting ready process that makes each of us feel very individual in how we show up as a Rockette.
Hair really is so emotional. I feel like it's what makes us feel the most ourselves. And so I love hearing you say that, like each of you Rockettes really have an opportunity to like do your twist your way that really allows you to feel like yourself.
Absolutely.
So I'm just gonna, and I'm sure you know this is a Rockette, but wanna make sure that everybody watching us really making sure that you like crisscross with bobby pins. I would love to hear from you if you've learned any like specific tips. I feel like the bobby pins are actually pretty key.
I found it most important that the base is our anchor point.
Yeah.
That's a super strong point, especially because that's where a lot of our hats lay. So just making sure that that is a very secure section of my hair is super important.
So yeah, as you can see, like where the twist really meets the rest of the hair, that is where we are just getting those bobby pins dug in. And so we really just wanna make sure that it's super secure. And then the rest we can kind of like play with and have fun with.
I personally redo my twist every show because it gets a little beaten up.
Yeah.
If I can have a 2-show twist, it's an amazing day.
Wow.
But I think that it's so interesting, like hearing you say that about like hair and looks, because I feel like that's also kind of how we describe ourselves as Rockettes too. Like we are a line of women, a line of 36, but to our core, we are all individual humans and dancers. And I think that's what makes this legacy so beautiful, and especially coming in 100 years, like how many women have been Rockettes prior to us, and this is a legacy that we're getting to fulfill. We're all just individual women at the end of the day, and it's really cool to see that. You know, individuality, whether that's in your hair or your makeup. I find it most to be in my hair because I think, yes, we have a lash and a lip, so I think our hair is kind of our own twist, quite literally, on how we approach a show as Rockettes.
Right now, I feel like it's all about shine, right? Like that's the same on the red carpet as it is, I would imagine, on your stage.
Yes.
It is all about shiny, healthy looking hair.
Yes.
And so I am actually, this is like a fun little trade secret, our Willow Glen styling oil, which is really like our thickest oil. It's more of a deep treatment, but I'm just using a few drops of it. And once your twist is like fully done and up, you just kind of like run that oil over the top, and you can put this over your styling cream just to layer on that extra element of shine.
Absolutely. I mean, we perform in beautiful Radio City Music Hall that has 6,000 seats, so it definitely has to reach the top mezzanine. We call ourselves athletes dripping in diamonds.
Oh, yes.
Because we truly are.
Okay, Britton, we did
did
the thing.
It is absolutely beautiful. I just think one thing is missing.
Oh, what is that?
And I think it's my costume. So I'm gonna go slip into that. What do we think?
Oh my gosh, you're a vision.
I feel like a Rockette now.
You're a Rockette dream. Okay, I have an idea for something that's really gonna bring this holiday glam joy vibes.
Give it to me, Mara.
Okay.
I trust you.
Let's do it.
I trust.
Because your outfit has this gold, this silver. I love to bring these moments out. Like on the red carpet, it's all about what you're wearing. How can we bring some of that up into the hair?
Up top. Great.
So I am going to prep your hair with like just a little bit of the evergreen, sort of like as a base. I have some gold and silver leaf that we are going to tap onto your style here. And then literally on top, just add some of your silver and gold leaf. And I'm just gonna layer on because I love a mixed metal look, and that's exactly what you have going on in your gorgeous
That's what the costume is.
Outfit. And you just kind of tap it on randomly, and then we'll do the tiniest bit more oil on the ends.
Perfect.
Voila.
Oh my gosh. It is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. I feel like more of a Rockette, bold, sparkly, exciting. It's also so comfortable. So thank you for that.
What a dream. It was such an honor to get to do your hair. Thank you for letting me reimagine this twist.